Hello and welcome to the MechanicDesk help videos. In this tutorial video, we will explain how the storage extension add-on works. Once logged into MechanicDesk, please go to Settings, then select Workshop Details, and then select Add-ons on the left of the screen. Scroll down and you should see the storage extension add-on here. Firstly, please be aware that this add-on costs $22 per month on top of your current subscription fee. To enable the storage extension tool, please click Enable and then select Yes, Continue. Think of the storage extension tool as a light version of Dropbox. Once enabled, if you navigate to the top right of the screen and click on the screwdriver and wrench icon here, you'll notice a file box option. Click on this option and the storage extension will open. Firstly, you'll notice the option to upload a file by clicking Choose File, like so. This will give you the option to choose a file from your device to upload to the File Extension tool. You will also notice the option to tag the file here. Alongside this, you will also notice three other options: Private, Public, and Share With. If Private is selected, only the user adding the file will have access to the file. If Public is selected, then all users can see the file. If Share With is selected, you must select the user to share the file with. Once selected, only the user that the file is shared with will be able to access the file. In this scenario, we will choose Private and click Save. The file is now saved privately to the storage extension add-on. An additional aspect of the storage extension add-on is that now you can access all attachments sent via email from the Email and SMS tab. To access these attachments, please click on Customers and Vehicles and then Email and SMS. You can see here, for example, I can click on the blue open text here to open the PDF invoice attached to this email. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact the MechanicDesk help team.